Hello students, welcome back for your day 2 of your maths class. Today we are going to learn the topic that you have already learned in your previous classes, that is subtraction. But in class 5 you will study about it in much more detail. You also use subtraction in your daily life. So let's start. The order of subtraction remains the same in that of addition, that is ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and then lakhs. Regroup wherever necessary. Now let's see one example. We have to subtract 1134 from 3267. The number you subtract from is called the minuend, and the number that is being subtracted from minuend is known as subtrahend. So here in this example, 3267 is the minuend and 1134 is the subtrahend. Now let's start with the subtraction. We'll start from the ones place. 7 minus 4 equals to 3. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 2 minus 1 equals to 1 and 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So students, our answer becomes 2133. Let's see one more example. We have to subtract 43,623 from 65,749. Here also children, in the same way we'll start subtracting from the ones place. So let's start. 9 minus 3 equals to 6. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. And here 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Children, we have an easier method of subtraction also when the minuend contains a 0. This is the standard method of subtraction and this is the easier method. First look at the standard method. We have to subtract 50,000 from 12,345 from 50,000. Okay, so let's see the subtraction here. As you can see, we have to carry 1 from here. From 5 we'll take 1, carry over to here 0, it will become 10. Then we have to forward 1 to the tens, hundreds place. So we will take 1 here. 9 will be remaining here. We'll carry forward 1 here, so 9 will be remaining here. Then we'll forward 1 here on the ones place, and on the tens place 9 will be here. So let's start from the ones place. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. 9 minus 4 equals to 5. 9 minus 3 equals to 6. 9 minus 2 equals to 7. And 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So the answer becomes 37,655. But as you can see, it's a bit difficult. So when the minuend contains 0, we can go to an easier method. And that is, we will subtract 1 from both the subtrahend and the minuend. So as you can see, I have subtracted 1 from 50,000, it becomes 49,999. And after subtracting 1 from 12,345, we will get 12,344. As you can see here, the subtraction becomes much more easier and the answer is the same, that is 37,655. So you can use this method when the minuend contains 0. Now we are coming to the topic checking of the subtraction. Children, when you are subtracting two numbers, you can also check whether the answer is correct or not. So let's learn this. Here we have to subtract 76,539. The number is 42,318 from 76,539. So let's start subtracting. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer becomes 34,221. Now children, we can check whether this answer is correct or not. But you might be thinking how? So you have to add the answer, that is 34,221, with the subtrahend, the number which was being subtracted, that is 42,318. And if you get the answer as minuend, your subtraction is correct. So let's check here. 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So the answer is 76,539, which is your minuend. So your answer is correct. So this is the way we check the subtraction. Okay children, I'm giving you 30 seconds to solve this. You have to subtract this number and check your answer. Okay children, so your time starts now. Okay children, so this is the answer. You have to subtract 23,517 from 54,638. So here is the subtraction. 8 minus 7 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer becomes 31,121. And here is the check. We have written the answer 31,121, and we will add 23,517, that is the subtrahend, to it. The answer is the minuend. So your answer is correct. Hope your answers are correct children. Now we'll come to the word problems for subtraction. So let's start with the word problems. The question is, the population of Shampur is 3,80,600 and the population of Azamgarh is 2,38,500. You have to tell which town has a greater population and by how much more. So as we already know that 3,80,600 is greater than 2,38,500. So we know that Shampur has a greater population. But now we have to find out by how much. So we have to subtract 2,38,500 from 3,80,600. So let's subtract. Children, in a word problem, the main thing that you have to write are the statements. So let's start with the statements. Population of Shampur is equal to 3,80,600 and the population of Azamgarh is equal to 2,38,500. Now by subtraction we will get the answer 1,42,100. So we know that the Shamgarh has a greater population than Azamgarh, but the number by which it is greater is 1,42,100. Let's see one more word problem. There were two candidates in an election. Sumit got 6,34,900 votes and Amit got 8,70,500 votes. We have to tell who won the election and by how much votes. So let's start with the word problem. As we know that 8,70,500 is greater than 6,34,900. So clearly Amit won the election, but we have to find out by how much votes. So we have to subtract the number of votes Sumit got and number of votes Amit got. Here we have written, let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So the answer becomes 2,35,600. So Amit won by 2,35,600 votes. So I hope children, the word problems are clear to you. I already told you in my previous video that you all have to do the home assignments in your rough notebook or your rough registers, which will be checked by the teachers after the school opens. So this is your home assignment for today, children. Hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.